Hello, welcome to Excel macro tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record a macro. You can visit this website excelvbomacros.blogspot.in for more tutorials on Excel macros. In this video, I will show you how you can record new macro in Excel sheet. So you can just open your Excel sheet and you can go to the tools menu. In tools, you will find macro, and there are a lot of options. There is record new macro, macros, and security. So if you click on macros, then you will see the macros that have been already recorded, and if you want to record new macro, you can just click on this record new macro, and Excel will ask you for the name of the macro. So I'll just put, say, enter values in Excel. So this is the name of my macro, and you can also give the shortcut key for the macro, and it is asking where you want to store this macro. So I will select this workbook, and you can also give the description, that is more details about these macros, and click on OK. Once you click on OK, it is that name is not valid, it is saying. So the name should not contain any blank spaces, so you have to make sure that there are no blank spaces in the name of the macro. So I'll just click on OK, and the macro recording will start. Now whatever you will do operations in this Excel sheet, all those will be recorded. So for example, I will put something into this data, and I will just drag this down. I'll delete this row number 11. So whatever operations I have done here, that will be recorded, or that are getting recorded by the Excel macro. So if you want to stop this recording, you can just click on this button, that is stop recording. Now the macro is recorded. Now if you want to view the macro that has been just recorded, you can just go to the again you can go to the tools, macro, and then macros. So here you will find the list of the macros that have been recorded in the, or that are available in this workbook. So you can select the macro. So the macro that I have recorded is here, that is enter underscore values, and I want to view the code that is generated by the Excel. So you can, on the right hand side, you will see this buttons, that is run, cancel, step into, and edit. So you can just click on edit, so it will get you to the code that is generated by the Excel. So I will click on the edit button. So this is the code that Excel has generated when I recorded this macro, that is range m2.select, then formula r1c1, that is 1. So the value that I put in the m3 cell is 1, and then another cell I have put 2, and then I have used the autofill. So I have filled that series. So the method that is selection or autofill is getting invoked here, and finally I deleted some that Excel row, that is row number 11. So I selected rows. So this is how you can select the row, and then you can delete that using selection.delete method. So this is how we can record the macros in Excel. So generally when we record the macros, that gets into the models, and it creates the sub procedure with that macro name, that is here the name of the macro becomes the procedure name. So this is how you can execute the macro, and if you want to execute this macro, you can do that. So I'll just delete whatever it has done, and I will run it again. So whatever the macro is, or say you can record the you can execute the macro from here as well. So I'll go to the Excel sheet, and I'll go to the run button, run macro, and click on run. So whenever I click the run button, that whatever we recorded will get executed again. So these things executed automatically. So this is how we can execute the macros in Excel sheet. Thanks.